MD Car Service, your complete car service guide.
Hello everyone, this is Toyota Hiace 2016. We want to change AC compressor. So I want to show you if the compressor not working, how you will know, because this compressor don't have clutch like other ones. So to test it is very hard, but I'll show you how can you know. So let me start the car. See? So the AC is on. The AC is on. See, the AC is on, but you see it's on, but nothing. So if you want to know the AC compressor current is going in, but it's not working, when you on, you will feel the fan, you hear the noise of the fan. So that one you will know that the AC compressor current is going inside, but it's not working. Normally to change AC compressor, it's not always a change AC condenser, but this one everything is okay, but I suspect that it's leaking, so that's why I want to change it. Yeah, that's it. And at the same time, inside there is no dirty inside, so if it's not because of it's leaking, I'll clean this one and fix it. Yeah, so like this you can just use air and clean the hoses, and then you fix it. This one you don't need to use chemicals, even to use air is okay. So here I have air compressor, I have everything to clean it. If you are working on AC, if you have air compressor, is good. Everything is to work on it is easy for you to clean everywhere. So that's it. So this is compressor oil, see. So you have to put oil. Don't put too much. When you put too much, it cannot, the cooling will not, you cannot get the cooling the way you want. So you have to measure before you put. So like this one, it's like this, you see. Yeah. Because condenser also is new, so you have to put oil. Yeah, so this one also like this, you see. I want to fix the compressor, but the compressor here you cannot go because the space is small. You cannot put it from here, okay, because of the space, you see. So to put it here, even you force it's okay, but maybe you will damage something, so I always put it downside. I don't fix it from here. So me, I always put it from downside, and then I hold it up here. So, but if you said you will try and put it here, maybe you'll do it. But that one you'll get tired too much. So I always put it down. From here, So the bolt is a 12 bolt 4 piece. So the bolt you can box spanner. So if you get box spanner or ring flat, you can fix it, but ring flat you'll get tired. But if you get box spanner, I think that one, like this one, see, yeah, like this is easy. So this one you can use air and clean it to clean all this with this. This is the dryer, because we changed complete condenser. That's why we didn't change the dryer. So this is the dryer. If like I will clean the old one and fix it back, so I have to lose this. I have to lose this one and change the AC dryer. So by this one I fix new, so no need to change. So this is suspension valve new one, and this is old one. So anytime when you replace AC compressor, remember to change it. Yeah, you use 10 box spanner and Allen key. So you finish, we are filling gas. So here summer just start now, so the weather is not that much, it's normal. So anytime when you are filling gas, you have to check just check the weather, and then you will feel it. Yeah, because if the weather start getting hot, the pressure gauge meter will go higher than this. Normally, like the way you see it, you will go higher without filling gas, but you will feel like it's high. So please don't forget to subscribe and share and like it.